Welcome, Sagittarius, to your reading for relationships and career on Tarot Queen 777. This is Doel here. This is the reading from July 23rd till the July 28th. So let's see how your relationship with the person on your mind is going to be in this coming week. So we'll be picking three cards for the past, three cards for the present, three cards for the future, and then clarifying those cards with another deck. And then we'll check the advice from the Gita. Okay, you have the High Priestess and the Three of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. Okay. And then you have the Five of Cups in the present and Death. Okay, that says a lot. And the Knight of Wands. In the future, you have the Four of Swords, the Page of Cups, and the Chariot. Okay, Sagittarius. It seems that someone was keeping their options open, and probably there wasn't there was a hope for equal give and take, but probably someone was breadcrumbing someone, not really showing up in the relationship, whatever the nature of the relationship may be, in an equal manner, so there's a certain kind of disappointment. Currently, the present energies show that you're probably walking away, or you're feeling a sense of loss, and you're probably walking away from the situation, or you feel like walking away from the situation, unable to see the good in the situation. You're not capitalizing on the good. That is also confirmed by the Death card. It's a period of transformation. If you still go strong with this person, you will eventually see things from a new perspective. Okay, the Knight of Wands shows that there is a period of stillness, a desire to move ahead from this pain. It's not really, it could be a very slight pain, but someone has not been showing up equally in this relationship. In the future, you have the Four of Swords, the Page of Cups, and the Chariot. The Four of Swords, the Page of Cups, and the Chariot. And this shows that you will this week, going forward, kind of make your intentions clear as far as your relationship goes with this person on your mind. There might be some communication of love, as the Page of Cups shows. There might be some communication, some conversation that is had that will reveal your person's true intentions. And the Chariot. So yeah, looking forward, you're going to put in your all into this relationship, even if it's just a friendship. You'll be putting your all in. Now let's clarify this. Let's clarify the High Priestess. Strength, Four of Swords, Four of Swords, Four of Swords, and Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so definitely you have like a desire. You're trying to manifest something in this relationship, and you have a deep desire to see that fructifying, and it will fructify, because it all begins in the mind. And the Three of Wands is clarified by the Ten of Cups, the High Priestess, and the Seven of Wands. Okay, so from this period of stability in the past, with things not looking perfect with this person in your relationship, you seem to be making a lot of effort, trying to like really tap into your wisdom and making a lot of effort towards the relationship. The Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Page of Pentacles. Okay. The Six of Cups. Okay, this could be the return of someone from the past. This could be the return of someone from the past if you maybe an ex or an old friend. And a certain cycle is coming to an end, an emotional cycle, a painful cycle is coming to an end. So you have to go through that pain to experience it, to know that you don't really want it in your life, to put an end to it. So, yeah. Then the Five of Cups is clarified by the Six of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, and the Knight of Pentacles. So even though there's a desire to kind of celebrate this togetherness with your person, you know, you seem to be taking on a lot of responsibility and a lot of the good intentions that hold a relationship together. It may feel to you that you are doing everything. You may also feel a little left out from this person, from the other aspects of this person's life, and you feel that you're not really moving forward. Let's see what the Death card is clarified by. Star, the World, and the Knight of Cups. Okay. So again, the World card confirms this Ten of Swords energy. Something is coming to a completion, but for the better, for the better. A cycle in the relationship is like a new beginning, and whatever you desire in the relationship will come to pass as confirmed by the Star card. And the Knight of Cups shows that, see, this person in the World card is looking away from the Knight of Cups, who is still on a horse. So there might be there might be disagreements, not being on the same page. You feel that this person is not seeing you for who you are, So that may lead to this transformation and this change in perspective as shown by the Death card. Let's see what the Knight of Wands is clarified by. The Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and Judgment. Okay, this is definitely a new beginning. Maybe you will be focusing more on work and your career and putting your energies there because you feel that you don't really want to waste time or spend so much time ruminating about this relationship. So all the passion, all the energy you might put into work this coming week, Yeah. And the Four of Swords is clarified by the Five of Swords. Okay, the Five of Swords follows the Four of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the Moon. So there might be a conversation that might be unpleasant with this person. This person may say something to you, which shows that they don't really clarify the intentions you have for this relationship going forward, and that may hurt you. But despite that, there'll be a lot of emotions involved. And the Moon card shows that because of your deep emotions, because of your deep feelings for this person, there might be some anxiety. The Page of Cups shows that there will be conversations around your relationship going forward, and the King of Swords confirms this. Okay, Three of Swords, okay, my, and the Eight of Swords. So this is clarifying the Page of Cups. So the conversation may not really be pleasant. It may cause grief. It may cause stress. You may feel that this person is not really seeing things for what they are, or is unable to gaze into your heart. But the thing is that it could also be you. You are unable to see what this person is trying to communicate. So there might be a communication mismatch this week. And let's see what the Chariot is clarified by. The Page of Cups, Page of Cups, Page of Cups in the future, the Five of Cups, and the Hermit. So, whatever this conversation is, it's going to leave you feeling disheartened. You might feel like walking away from the relationship, you might feel a sense of loss. But this feeling will cause you to look inward, and kind of see, like I said before, kind of capitalize on your own wisdom, on your own inner light. Thank you. So that was your reading for your relationship. Now let's check the cards for your career. Okay. So let's pick three cards for the past, three cards for the present, and three cards for the future, Sagittarius, for your career. Okay, Page of Cups, Queen of Wands, the Hermit, the Eight of Wands, the Page of Swords, the Four of Wands, Temperance, the Seven of Swords, and the Seven of Cups. Okay. So here's the thing, Sagittarius. You may want something more with someone you work with, like kind of spend more time with them, talk to them more. Maybe in your relationship, the person on your mind is also from work. It may resonate with some people, but if it doesn't, it's all right. But if at all this is not the case, you may want to work with someone who you think of romantically in your mind. So, yeah. So, the Page of Cups, Queen of Wands, and the Hermit in the past shows that, yeah, there's someone from work that you are interested in. In the present, you have the Eight of Wands, the Page of Swords, and the Four of Wands, and you want kind of deeper communication, deeper commitment from this person. You're probably looking for something more. If that's not the case, this shows that there will be healthy communication as far as work is concerned. Work is going pretty well. Lots of friendships at work, lots of celebrations. Okay, as shown by these cards, lots of the Eight of Wands, the Page of Swords, and the Four of Wands. Shows that there's a lot of bonhomie, a lot of communication, celebration, victories on the work front this week. And in the future, you have Temperance, Seven of Swords, and the Seven of Cups. Maybe you are trying to manipulate a certain situation in your favor. Maybe you're trying to get something out of a colleague or someone you work with in your favor, and you're really trying to manifest that. You really want that. So, yeah. Let's clarify the past with three cards, the present with three cards, and the future with three cards. The Page of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and the Hermit is clarified by the Four of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Page of Swords, Page of Swords, Page of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles. So you're kind of holding back this communication that you want to have with someone at work. You're not really acting on it, because of practical reasons. Because you don't want to. One sec. Yeah, you don't want to upset the dynamics. I'm so sorry about that. You don't want to upset the dynamics of your working relationship with this person. But this shows that you're probably flailing. You're probably putting your, your foot in many, 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 many directions, and your hands in many, many directions, and you're unable to find this sense of balance. You're not acting on this interest that you have in someone at work. And let's check the Eight of Wands, the Page of Swords, and the Four of Wands. Clarified by the Six of Swords. Okay. Uh, the Seven of Cups in the future, Seven of Cups in the present, and the Empress. So whatever's going well in your career, you brought that into reality with your deep determination, with your deep intention. You worked really hard for this good phase. So things are going to likely look more peaceful. There are lots of opportunities and abundance coming up going forward in your career and on the work front. Let's see what Temperance, Seven of Swords, and Seven of Cups is clarified by. The King of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Ten of Cups. So yeah, going forward on the work front, in your business, in your career, things are going to look really good. You're going to reap in the fruits of your labor. There will be a deeper commitment to work. You may be spoiled for choices. You may want to do it all and have it all. And that will also lead you to work really hard and deepen your connections with the people you work with. So that was your reading for your career, Sagittarius. Let's see what the advice from the Gitas is for you. Let me see what the advice from the Gitas is for you. For this coming week from July 23rd to July 28th, Sagittarius. Okay. Remembrance and forgetfulness. This is the card. Remembrance and forgetfulness. So let's see. I live in everyone's heart, governing their remembrance, knowledge, and forgetfulness. The objective of studying the Vedas is to know me. I'm the compiler of the Vedanta as well as the knower of the Vedas. So you might be letting go of a lot of things that you have learned in the past, kind of unlearning old ways of thinking, old ways of knowing, kind of abandoning old knowledge and embracing the new. So that's forgetfulness and remembrance. So this week you're probably learning how to undo old patterns and kind of look at things from a new perspective, and kind of polishing your philosophy of life, your mantra of life. So yeah, so Sagittarius, that was my reading for you for July 23rd to July 28th. If you want a personalized reading, the details are in the description box. If you want to communicate with me, please comment in the comment section, and if you like this video, like it and subscribe for the channel. Thank you very much.